Yarafuatwo ni andu maundu macio ni turera thirikari.
Kenya Begut ni hanini uria ni muteteri wa ihoto cia muingi wikane ta Boniface Mwangi reke twambe tuthikiririe.
Presenting ourselves to the police. That's why we're here. Tunajipatiana kwa polisi, tuambie wache kuwa watu wetu, wache kupiga watu wetu. Last week on Friday they killed 2 people, but tomorrow we're back in the streets. We're asking everyone who is home, if you don't want to come to the streets, don't come to work. Kaa nyumbani in solidarity, because akianza kutuoppress vijana wetu sahi, we will all become slaves of the IMF and the World Bank.
I think the state.
No, tulipata abduction outside City Mortuary on Friday. 3 Subarus came to arrest us. We managed to escape. Because bala mtu kidnap kwa barabara, wacha tujilete. And here we are. And then the president is a liar. Anasema he wants dialogue and he's abducting people. Where is Shad? Ask the president, where is Shad? We cannot live in fear. Ruto, you work for us. You are an employee of the people. Where are abducting us? Look at these police officers. Wamejifita sura. Angalia. These are people who are kidnapping people. These people are the ones who making people disappear. The president said, no more Rivayala. No more Rivayala. This is Rivayala all over again. Angalia venye amevaa. This is Rivayala all over again. Abductions.
So, Boni, why are you waiting? Naona mmeko nje.
Atujui, lakini tumejileta. Kama kutushika tushike. Kama tushiki, tuende nyumbani tupange maandamano ya kesho. All over the country, wherever you are, protest against the financial bill. We never gave Ruto's wife work to do for us, or Rigath's wife. Where we give them money? Our kids, he's cutting off school feeding programs to give his wife money. How selfish can you be? When the president is not lying, he's flying all over the country, all over the world. He's doing renovations in his house, in State House, and we don't even have enough hospitals, we don't have enough libraries, we don't have enough schools. He's wasting our money. Our police ambao wako hapa, wanaishi kwa nyumba za mabati.
Let it be clear. We are not afraid of the police.
Yeah.
We are not afraid of being arrested. We're not even afraid of dying for our country. We are ready for that. But the state should stop using state machinery to silence dissent. Kenyans have spoken loudly and clearly. Reject finance bill. And then the state is using state machinery to abduct people, to disappear people, and then they're telling people that we are ready to dialogue. Is that dialogue? When you're arresting people, you're throwing them into, unknown places, incommunicado. That is unconstitutional. How can you violate the constitution and then you are saying that you are ready to dialogue? That is not right.
This is no dialogue. This is not dialogue.
Kimani Ichung'wah welcomed this particular protest. What do you say?
Atuongea na Bibi Ruto tumuongeleshi. Tutiari